Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have some creatine monohydrate gummies, and you get 120 of these here. It says 5,000 milligrams is 30 servings of whatever it is. This thing here, it says the serving size is 4 gummies, so you get 30 servings per container. I guess that's the concept of it. But it gives you the all the different carbohydrates and monohydrates and everything else that you need. You can kind of look at that there. I'm gonna be heading back into doing some more exercising again, trying to get myself back in shape. So these are nice to have a little bit before my workout, and it gives me the energy I need. He's already opened it and had one. Tastes good, just kind of fruity and like a gummy or something like that. So these are nice. So if you need some of these, I would say these are great. So I guess don't take it if you're pregnant or nursing or anything like that. It doesn't contain yeast, wheat, eggs, gluten, soy, peanuts, shellfish, or dairy, so it's pretty inert of those things. So pretty nice little setup. Thumbs up.